Good morning, everyone, on this early Friday morning. Hopefully, you're off to a good start. It's going to be a busy day weather wise. Pretty quiet out there right now as we do have some clouds, fog, and a little drizzle, but it's not too windy just yet. But that's going to be the big story today, the wind. And we do have a severe weather threat, too, as a line of showers and thunderstorms, kind of in a pencil thin line, quickly moves in from the west, and we'll have a two kind of fold issue when it comes to the wind, as there's a high wind warning for the entire area until about 10 o'clock tonight. So with the parent storm, it's going to generate a lot of wind on its own, and with these individual thunderstorms and with the actual line moving so fast, that's going to produce some perhaps damaging wind as well as a pass basically from west to east through the middle of today. So here's a look at what you can expect as we head into the next several hours. There you see what's happening right now. Temperatures lower 60s, mild. The wind will start to pick up here over the next hour or two. You can see the line of showers and thunderstorms kind of stretching across the Mississippi River. They're going to be moving very, very fast though over the next, let's say, 4 to 6 hours, and by noon today they're going to be in the area and passing through. So between about 11 and 2 o'clock, I think that's going to be the time where we'll see those showers and thunderstorms in a broken line, and maybe a couple ahead of the line. That's something we'll have to be watchful for as well. So here's our local futurecast, and I'll try to go through this and let you see exactly what's happening. There you see a couple of showers ahead of the main line, and we'll have to watch for a few of the isolated thunderstorms that develop ahead of the line. Those could zip quickly from southwest and northeast, and those are the ones that are capable of producing a little spin up. So there is a slight risk of a tornado too today. Probably a little bit greater than what we normally see with these type of weather systems. But by about 12:30, the showers and thunderstorms kind of move across Jackson County and toward the Cumberland Plateau. So between about 11 and about 2 o'clock local time, they're going to be moving to the east very, very fast. The leading edge of these storms, obviously, are where the most, concerning weather when it comes to the strong damaging winds. And even when we don't see these thunderstorms, before and after, winds could gust 30, 40 miles per hour because of the actual parent storm. There you see it at 1:30, kind of zipping right through the area. Notice they're kind of shaped where they're kind of moving from southwest and northeast. There is going to be a lot of what they call shear in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that's why things are going to be so unstable today, and that's why high gusty winds are not just possible, not just probable, but likely across much of the area. So power outages, a definite possibility. And then as these storms push off to the east very, very quickly, we dry out quickly, but the wind will stay up probably through about 6, 7, 8 o'clock, and then it'll start to slack off just a bit. So we will actually dry out. The sun will come out by 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we'll have some wraparound clouds. And from there, we dry out and we become much more quiet as we move into the upcoming weekend. And there you can see the actual storm that's pulling on through. The parent storm, which is the big area of low pressure, moves up into the Great Lakes, and that's going to be the big generator of wind, not even associated with these thunderstorms. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday look good, and then Tuesday and Wednesday some scattered showers, and then finally, as we head into the second half of next week, look what happens to that freezing line after some areas of rain move through on let's say Thursday and Friday. We start to see that cold air start to move on in from the south and west, and I think that's going to be an issue as we head into the second half of next week. But in summary, the big story today will be the wind. It's going to be gusty. Some areas could have wind gusts 50, 60 miles per hour, not even related to these thunderstorms. But with the thunderstorms, you have an added risk of severe weather and even a slight risk of a tornado. So be safe. Take care. Most of this will happen during the middle of the day, and then by later this afternoon and this evening, the severe weather threat will diminish, but still it's going to stay quite windy. So take care and have a great rest of your Friday.